everyone, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a quick little project share. I am getting ready to pack up my entry to Wandy Sweets challenge, 50th birthday challenge, and for obvious reasons, she is a wonderful crafter, a wonderful friend, and she's super sweet. I think everyone should go out and support her. She's going through a milestone birthday, and honestly, show her some love. So I'm just gonna go and show you quickly some of the things I'll be sending. I want the rest to be a surprise, and yeah, let's get started. So I had shown this in a previous video, and I just went and decorated on the top and put her name in some sparkly thickers because I have way too many thickers, and she loves pink. So I love how this box came out. I hope she loves it too. And I made a quick little bag topper, and this is some goodies that I'm sending. I just wrapped it in some wrapping paper. I think this was gifted to me by someone else, but honestly, like, I just thought that this was so cute, and I just gave her one of my bag toppers. This is an embellishment I made. I put on top of a rosette. I blinged out this ephemera piece from the Dulce collection, and then I just put on a clip. I didn't glue this on. I wanted her to reuse this on a future, wherever she wanted to send a package. I just added a little wire wrap dangle, and I love how that came out. And then I just, pre-warning, be easy on me, guys. I am the worst at cards. I think I struggle with making cards. They're not fun for me, but you know, her whole challenge is about cards, and she is the card queen, so I did the best that I could. So of course I had to stay true to me, and I made a shaker. And this was actually not as painful as I thought it would be. I hate foam and glue, and I just never worked out for me. I think that it's always such a hot mess. So I use this heart border die, and this is from In Love Art Shop, and I cut this out of this really pink, a pretty pink iridescent paper that I got from a paper pad in Michael's, and I cut that out in this really super thick foam, and I sewed the acetate underneath all around, just because I just hate that glue and the mess, and it kills me when I see glue stains all over acetate. And then I did put the sequins in the middle, and then I went around and I glued the foam. So it was less messy, and honestly, I just love the elevation on this card. It's super thick, and I wanted to use Dulce again because I know she's like the Dulce queen. So I went and tried to channel my inner Wandy Sweets to make this card. I use this fun Maggie Holmes chipboard sticker. This is also from the Confetti collection as well, but it is for her birthday, so I had to incorporate some birthday theme. This is a little resin horse that I made from that Dulce mold. I added some Prima flowers. I added some pearls all around this little cluster over here. I did add some little, I forgot what they're, micro beads, is it? Oh, here it is. I just have it right next to me. They're art stones. These are the Finnabair art stones, and I did add that around some of the flowers to give it a little shabby element. This is a chipboard piece from the Dulce collection. I added some bling just to give it a little pop, and then some sequins all around here and there. I love how this came out, and not bad for my struggle. This took me like all day though. I hate cards, but you know what? I'm really happy with how it came out, and I hope she loves it too. I just added some stickers inside. I haven't wrote out a note. And that's it for my project share. I hope everyone goes and supports my girl, because she is a wonderful crafter and friend, and I think everyone could use a little extra love more than ever now. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.